Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute juice box. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the juice box. I'm starting with the cap of it. Now let's draw the box. I will be drawing an oval here. Let's write 100%. Now I will be drawing a cute mango. Let's complete the box. Here's its eyes. It has eyebrows. Let's draw its big mouth. My drawing is done. Let's start coloring. I'm using my orange pen. I'm using my orange highlighter pen. I'm using my red pen. And I'm using a pale orange color. I'm using my orange highlighter pen. Little bit of pink color. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.